Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to bank account on Wise. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to click on send money. So just click here on send money, and after that just you will move to next page. So simply here you can see international currency or same currency. So simply just you have to select the international currency if you want to send. So simply after that here you can see the same currency, so just add your currency here, and after that just click on continue. So when you click on continue, so here you can see what's your new contact. So simply if you want to send someone else or myself, so select here, just I click someone else, so enter the email or phone number of the relevant person, and after that when you type email simply click on continue. And now here you can see local bank account IBAN number, so simply just type the full name of account holder, and after here you can see the short code like in your country. So here you can see in UK. After that here type the account number, so here you can also type the IBAN number for international payments. So after that click on confirm. Now when you click on confirm it will review, and so in this way you can send money to bank account in Wise.